Hey everyone, this is Teresa from the White Cat channel. Today we're going to make homemade oat shirataki noodle. The recipe entails 1 cup of cool water, 1 cup in the bowl. I have 2 tablespoons of oat fiber, not flour, it's oat fiber. And this I'm going to whisk in. And because it's fiber, it's going to soak up a lot of water. And I don't want that interfering with the glucomannan. That's why I'm not going to mix it with the glucomannan. I'm just going to let this sit and soak up for a couple minutes. And then I will be right back. Now that that has soaked up just a little bit, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of whatever Glucomannan powder I want. Either the Konjac Foods or this Herbal Island are what I've been using lately. And then also 1/4 teaspoon of the pickling lime. And I've already mixed those together in this bowl. And just dump it over the water. And then you're going to have to mix quite quickly. You can get lumpy. Kind of like it's doing right now. And then you just keep mixing probably for about 45 seconds or less or more. It should kind of form into a ball like this. You don't want to mix too much, otherwise you're going to not be able to push it through your pasta press, or I'm experimenting with this rice press. I'll try this one today. Then you just scoop it in there. See, it's quite firm already. Very firm. You don't want it any firmer than this. This is probably the firmest I would go. Especially if you're using the pasta press that I usually use, which is this thing. This is what I usually use. But I got a new toy, so I am playing. So now that we've got that ready to go, ready to squish out the ends, which is pretty darn cool. We are going to go over to the pot of water. Alright, here we go. Are you coming out? Kind of fun. The thing I've noticed with this utensil is that the noodles don't get as long, but it comes out a lot quicker and you're done with it. And I had first thought that the diameter of the noodle would be a lot bigger, but it's not too bad compared to the pasta press, because the pasta press has tinier holes, but this will do. Especially I found that making rice out of the oat shirataki actually makes a really good firm rice when I do that. But, and this, you will notice, it's going to come, let me show you here. You're going to have some that's going to come out the sides. So you can either, scoop it down and try to use it again, or just forget about it, put it in the trash. It's up to you. So I'm going to squish these around, kind of keep watch on these, just to make sure that they don't stick together. They don't look like they're going to, but you never know. They got a mind of their own. I'm going to let these boil for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse them in cold water and use them as I want. I know there's going to be some things I wanted to say, but I'll be back after I get these down, rinsed and on a plate. I'll be right back. I took them out of the boiling water and I ran them under some cold water. And see, they are a little bit thicker, but they are short too. The strength is quite nice. And they're nice and springy too. That's usually what you want with a shirataki, but these are the ones with the oat fiber in that so far of the ones that I've posted on my YouTube channel, those are the ones that taste most like regular pasta. The texture is really nice too. These will probably be your favorite too until I get my recipe out, because I have some really nice ones. I wanted to again remind you to clean up while the water is boiling. It's the best time to clean up all your utensils. And then if you do start eating these, I also, want everyone to hear the disclaimer: you got to drink a lot of water. And if you're not into drinking a lot of liquid and you refuse to drink a lot of liquid, don't use these at all. I don't. Yeah. So anyway, hopefully I made that clear enough. Do not eat these without sufficient water. You got to push them through your system, and you will really like these. Yeah, that's a nice long one. Huh. Okay, like, share, subscribe. I'm putting a disclaimer in my videos now, so read that link if you need a disclaimer, if you're going to do wild things that aren't normal. Okay, bye.